Everybody, I'm Chris Blakeman, and I got a special message for you about Sergers. That's right, if you're watching this, you're probably interested in sewing, or you probably do some sewing. Coming up, we have a very special guest in Boulder, Colorado. Her name is Rosemary, and she's an amazing teacher. She's very passionate about sewing. We have a 3-day workshop where you're going to learn everything about Sergers. If you've ever been curious about Sergers, what a Serger is, why does it have all these spools? Maybe you already know that, and maybe you're just interested in like how a serger works, like what kind of parts they have on the inside. What's a looper? What's it doing? Why does it cut the fabric? What are some good ways to use that? Maybe you even do that already. Well, guess what? Over these 3 days, we're going to start with some foundational education where we have a cumulative learning. You're going to learn in steps. You're going to learn things one at a time. So we're going to learn when to serge, when to sew, when to use a 4-thread, when to straight stitch, fine-tuning tensions, how to fine-tune tensions, and why would you fine-tune tensions to get the best results. Okay, we're going to look at the machine parts, the cones, needle and thread information. So what are the best threads to use for your serger? What are the best needles to use for a serger? There's really good information in this first day. Serging an inside and outside corner. Once we get the machines running, we're going to be using them hands-on in the class. We're going to be using some techniques, so you'll see how to do an inside corner, how to do an outside corner with your serger, so you can apply these techniques to your projects, okay? French seams, flat felt seams, bias bound seams, reinforced seams as well, so you can complement your sewing with a serger machine. Maybe you already have one and you just don't know, what it is good for. Maybe you run it sometimes, but you know it can do a lot more. The first day is going to really help you with a lot of that. Day 2, we're going to serge elastic. We're going to show you the factory method. We're going to show you how to do it with the accessory foot. We're going to show you how to do gathering. So we're going to show you how to bring the fabric together and create a gathering effect with a serger. How to make piping and cording. So we're going to feed piping and cording in for an embellishment in the machine, so you can overlock piping and cording as well. We're going to use decorative threads in the serger. You may be wondering, how can I make fun embellishments that really look cool? Well, you can definitely do that with a serger, and we'll show you how. We're going to go from light to heavy threads as well, like threading techniques with the serger. 3-thread stitch, rolled hem stitch. You want that nice tight rolled hem that's close together, that's good for napkins, handkerchiefs. We're going to go over that. We're going to talk about the principles of it, and Rosemary is going to walk you through it and give you some great creative ideas as well. 2-thread flat lock, the wave stitch, a creative decorative stitch that's really fun to do. The napkin trick, we're going to let the serger cut out the napkins for you so you can make a set of creative projects really fast. We're going to give you the tools to do that with the napkin trick. Serger pin tucks, if you like to do heirloom sewing, heirloom quilting, and you like to do pin tucking as a decorative embellishment, now you can do it with your serger, and you'll be really surprised at how fast and easy this technique is when you learn it. Serger crochet, we're going to make crochet with the serger. That's right, we're going to use thread to make crochet. Vanishing rolled hems and also lattice edges. Gets a nice kind of wavy look on the edge of the fabric. This is a fun creative technique. That's just day 2. In day 3, we're going to do some cover hemming techniques, just like on the bottom of a shirt. You've got some techniques where the shirt is hemmed and it has the cover hem, keeps it together, kind of looks like a twin needle. We're going to be doing that in day 3. We're going to be talking about that in the application of it. Adjusting different widths, cutting widths on the machine, attaching lingerie and lace. We'll put some lace on and applicate that. So how you can do that and finish it the right way and make it look good professionally. We're also going to understand cover hemming accessories, how to use the shadow stitch, shearing over elastic. So we're going to do some fun techniques that really are applicable to garment sewing, creative sewing, and crafting on the serger. Decorative chain stitches, setting the machine to a 2-thread flat lock stitch. If you're a quilter, using a flat lock stitch or the ladder stitch is great for using your batting pieces and putting them back together. This is great if you're a quilter too. You can learn some great techniques on this as well. We provide lunch and snacks for all 3 days. You'll get a lunch for each of the 3 days. We've got some coffee and snacks in the morning and some chocolate throughout the day to keep you going, keep the learning process going. If you want to sign up, call 303-449-1281. Call my office with any questions at 970-619-8558. Email me at info@blakemansowvac.com. It's October 12th, 13th, and 14th from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. each day. And you're getting a workbook included as well. Go to the next video and I'm going to tell you all about the workbook. Hope to see you there.